Hi everyone, this is Ms. DeLu. I'm going to go over the directions for Module B, Lesson 2, Practice Activity 4. This is for the giver. It's the study guide for chapters 6 through 9. The first part is vocabulary, the second part is the study guide. This is a link here for the text to the giver. You can also find that on the website. The pages will be 44 to 74. And the giver audio, if you're reading it during your asynchronous time and you want to listen to the audio while you read, here is a link to the audio. The directions are: first read each sentence for the giver, chapters 6 through 9. Then use context clues to predict the meaning of the following vocabulary words. Be sure to write what you think it means first before looking up the definition. Write the definition that best fits the context. So, this particular lesson does not have very many vocabulary words. It only has 2. So if you remember from the last study guide, you read the sentence, you look at the word, you look at the different parts for context clues, and then you write what you think it means. Then you get a definition of it from the dictionary. Now, when you're looking at the dictionary, sometimes there's more than one definition, so you want to make sure you pick the definition that uses the context most closely related to the sentence that's provided. After you do those 2, there's a practice vocabulary sentence here. The second part includes study guide questions. Sometimes these study guide questions are done during class together. You might be in learning pods talking about responses to it, or you might be working on them asynchronously. So listen to directions from your teacher. I want to point out question number 9. While you are working with your breakout groups or learning pods, I want you to be using your academic language for clarifying or restating an idea. And then I want you to write a sentence of how you use that language while discussing the answers with the partner. So think about having discussions and using these words when you are speaking with another student. And then as you come across that question, and maybe you're talking to a student looking at number 8, for instance, you might say, "So you said," and you'll repeat what your peer said. After you complete the study guide, follow the directions of your teacher, which will include probably uploading this to practice activities in Google Classroom.